What's up everybody? Tony Lopez here with Alternative Living Spaces, standing inside of a 30-foot shipping container that we just finished. This thing is really unique. Come on in and check it out. All right, so this unit is divided into three key spaces. There's the living space, which is right behind me. There's the kitchen space, and then there's the bathroom space. Now in this living space area, she's gonna have her bed and she's gonna have a sofa. And then right over here, there's some outlets and things so she can basically hang up her TV in this space. Now what's really unique about this unit that you're probably already noticing is that we didn't do a standard wall finish, right? We didn't frame it out in 2x4s and put a bunch of spray foam and then put drywall on top. This unit is actually going to Florida, and it's in an area where the climate's really nice. On average, it's about 70 degrees year round. And so we were able to do a different type of build out. This is exposed corrugated metal on the interior with a ceramic insulated paint on top. Now this paint is really unique in that it's also a vapor barrier and it has an insulation rating of about R10.5. So it will actually deflect heat and help her to maintain that nice temperature inside. Another thing about this unit is on all the corrugated walls, we did exposed metal conduit. I personally love how this turned out. It gives it that cool industrial feel and really keeps the character of the shipping container. Now when it comes to her living space, the way she's gonna be doing it is she's gonna have her bed right here against this wall. So a nice natural light right across from her. And then on this side is where her sofa is gonna be. So still plenty of room for about a 70-inch sofa. Across from that is gonna be her TV. And then she'll be adding some storage right here underneath this window space. Inside this unit, we do have a mini split HVAC unit. So it's gonna provide plenty of heat and cold air. So now transitioning to the kitchen space. The first thing that I love about this space is that you go from this corrugated metal right into a drywall finished area. Now she's gonna be building out her kitchen herself at her property once the unit gets delivered. And so as you can imagine, right here is where the sink's gonna go, her propane stove top, and then we have the outlets already placed here for her to be able to put her cabinetry, her countertop, and then fridge and microwave on that side. Now on the opposite side of the kitchen is where she's gonna have her laundry. So because she's gonna be living in this unit full time, it was really important for her to not just have a combo washer dryer, but basically a washer and dryer, each as individual units. So those are gonna be going right here. They're actually propane powered as well. And then she's gonna have this area for a little bit of storage. Now my favorite thing about this space is actually the skylight right above me. So that's a 14-inch by 24-inch skylight and really does a great job at adding some natural light. Now the last space I want to show you is the bathroom. The first thing that's kind of cool about it is this pocket door. So it's got this nice mirror right on it. And then as you enter into the bathroom, this might be the only RV you've ever seen with a bathtub. So she really wanted a bathtub, a place to just unwind and relax. So we were able to do that and still include the shower. So her curtains will actually attach to these rails up top. Like any bathroom, it's got a toilet and a vanity. So toilet on the left, the vanity, we have all the plumbing stuff out there. She's gonna be doing the cabinetry similar to the kitchen. So she'll be doing that finished on site. Now let's go back outside so I can show you the exterior of this tiny home. For the exterior paint, we did a bluish grayish color. And then for all the windows, we did white vinyl. And the main entry door, we actually did just in white as well, which I like how it looks. I think it complemented the gray nicely. This unit, as you can see, is on a trailer. So we did a 30-foot trailer. We did 3 7K axles on this one, so plenty of support for the actual container. And it's permanently mounted to this trailer. So we actually got it inspected as an RV. So it actually goes through the DMV and it can go basically anywhere that an RV can go. Now you may not have heard of a 30-foot container, and the way we did it is we actually got a 40-foot container and we cut off 10 feet and then we ended up re-welding and reattaching that side. So definitely is a custom size, but I like a 30-foot container because when you're doing something on wheels, is you get larger and heavier, it becomes more difficult to transport. So this one's still pretty light. Because there is limited power on site where she's putting this, she just has one 50-amp plug that's going to an RV park. We basically had to get a little bit creative in how to have enough power to run everything that she wanted. She wanted a stove top, her hot water heater, her laundry, and everything else. So what we did is we ended up taking those key appliances and we shifted them to being supported by propane. So she has a propane stovetop, propane dryer, and propane hot water heater. Well, thanks so much for hanging during this tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up below and subscribe so you can see more of our content. If you want to learn more about the products that we offer and that we build, visit us online at alternativeliving-spaces.com. And for those of you that want to do a DIY build, you want to build your own container home, save some extra money, you can go ahead and check out our free training link in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video.